You're watching a Wheels TV POV review, the fastest and easiest way to shop for a pre-owned vehicle on the 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird is one of America's most iconic automotive nameplates. The 11th generation of the Thunderbird debuted in 2002, with Ford reviving the two-seat concept for the T-Bird for the first time since 1957. With retro styling wrapped around a modern, luxury-enhanced platform, the 2002 to 2005 Thunderbird became a unique alternative to some of its cookie-cutter competitors in the sports luxury segment. The newest generation Thunderbird was produced as a convertible only, equipped with a standard folding soft top and a removable hard top offered as an option. Perceived as a premium offering in an upscale segment, the Thunderbird's track record for dependability has kept pace with consumer expectations. Wheels TV research has noted few major mechanical issues for the 2002 to 2005 Thunderbird, and consumer input has been generally positive. Wheels TV research, however, has received consumer feedback reporting chronic malfunctions and failures of ignition coils in 2002 models, resulting in reduced engine performance and spark plug misfires. This problem was diagnosed by Ford and eliminated in subsequent model years. The 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird is powered by an all-aluminum 3.9-liter overhead cam V8, which produces 252 horsepower in the 2002 model, jumping to 280 horsepower from 2003 to 2005. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. 2003 and later models offer the 5-speed automatic with an auto manual feature. The Thunderbird, especially with the later 280 horsepower engine, moves away smartly and can get to highway cruising speeds or sudden passing velocity with gusto. The transmission provides competent gear changes, but downshifts when reducing speed can be a bit abrupt. The 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird was Ford's first convertible equipped with head and chest side impact airbags. Four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes are standard. Traction control is optional. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has crash tested the 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird and rates it 4 out of 5 stars for frontal impact protection for the driver, 5 stars for frontal impact protection for the passenger, and 5 stars for side impact protection for the driver. The 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird receives EPA fuel economy estimates of between 17 and 18 miles per gallon city and 23 to 24 miles per gallon highway. Build quality for the 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird is solid, with fit and finish on par with other premium offerings in this segment. The hood, doors, rear deck, and removable hardtop are constructed from a high-impact plastic which resists dents and corrosion. The interior is a unique combination of retro touches and modern conveniences, while the color of the interior trim complements the exterior finish. The 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird has been praised by both consumers and reviewers for its tasteful styling blend, which pays tribute to the original 1950s T-Bird. Its capable powertrain, exceptional dependability and quality ratings, and satisfying performance are strong selling points, while early generation ignition issues and the lack of a manual transmission for more performance-oriented buyers may be considered downsides to some consumers. Overall, Wheels TV very highly recommends the 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird.